Hello friends, in this video we will learn and write how to make sentences. So let's start. First line, dry, Ram did not dry her clothes. Second line, come, Ram is not coming, Agra. Third line, clean, Rina does not clean her room. Fourth line, save, they save their money every day. Fifth line, accept, they will not be accepting their mistake. Sixth line, fly, the birds are flying in the sky. Seventh line, flock, the children pluck the flowers. Eighth line, face, they face many problems. Ninth line, water, the gardener does not water the tree. Tenth line, break, I am not breaking a chair. Thanks for watching.